Comprehensive comparison. Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk versus Bell AH-64. Apache, the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk, and the Bell AH-64. Apache are both iconic helicopters, but they serve distinct roles in military operations. Here's an in-depth analysis of their differences across key categories. 1. Role and mission. UH-60 Black Hawk. Primary role. The Black Hawk is a multi-role utility helicopter used for a broad spectrum of missions, including troop transport, cargo airlift, medical evacuation, medevac, search and rescue, SAR, and logistical support. It is one of the most versatile and widely used helicopters in modern militaries, particularly within the U.S. Army. Secondary roles. The Black Hawk can be armed for self-defense, e.g. miniguns or rocket pods. But its core function is non-combat. It is used in operations ranging from peacekeeping and humanitarian missions to tactical troop movement and evacuation during combat. AH-64. Apache. Primary role. The Apache is a dedicated attack helicopter designed specifically for close air support, CAS, anti-tank warfare, and precision strike missions. Its mission is to seek out and destroy enemy targets, especially armored vehicles, helicopters, and fortified positions. Secondary roles. The Apache can also perform reconnaissance and anti-aircraft roles in certain conditions, thanks to its advanced sensor suite. It is a key platform for suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD, and force protection in hostile environments. 2. Design and size, UH-60. Black Hawk, configuration. The Black Hawk has a twin-engine configuration with a relatively large, spacious cabin designed for carrying up to 11 fully equipped troops, or transporting various types of cargo. It features a single main rotor and tail rotor configuration. Dimensions. Length, 64 feet, 19.5 meters. Height, 16.5 feet, 5 meters. Rotor diameter, 53 feet, 16.15 meters. Weight. It has a maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of around 22,000 pounds, 10,000 kilograms. Purpose. The Black Hawk is designed to carry heavy loads of personnel or cargo over long distances and at moderate altitudes, with the ability to operate in austere environments. AH-64. Apache. Configuration. The Apache features a tandem seat cockpit, where the pilot and gunner sit one behind the other. This configuration provides superior visibility and situational awareness for both crew members during combat operations. The Apache is optimized for weapons integration, with a more compact and aggressive design. Dimensions. Length, 58 feet, 17.7 meters. Height, 15 feet, 4.5 meters. Rotor diameter, 48 feet, 14.6 meters. Weight, the Apache has an MTOW of around 23,000 pounds, 10,433 kilograms. Purpose. The Apache's design is focused on firepower, survivability, and precision targeting rather than payload capacity or transport. 3. Armament and weapons systems. UH-60 Black Hawk. Standard armament. The Black Hawk is not primarily armed, though it can be equipped for self-defense or specific missions. M60 or M134 miniguns. These can be mounted on external pods or doors for defensive purposes. Rocket pods. The Black Hawk can be equipped with 2.75-inch rockets, e.g. Hydra 70, or larger rockets for limited offensive capabilities. Missile mounts. It can carry Stinger or Hellfire missiles for anti-aircraft or anti-armor operations, though it is not its primary function. Capabilities. While armed, the Black Hawk's mission is usually to transport personnel or equipment and provide logistical support. Its combat capabilities are secondary to its primary utility roles. AH-64. Apache. Standard armament. The Apache is one of the most heavily armed helicopters in the world. Its arsenal includes M230 30mm chain gun, a turret-mounted automatic cannon that is effective against both ground and air targets. Hellfire missiles. Precision-guided missiles designed to target tanks, bunkers, and other high-value ground targets. Hydra 70 rockets. A variety of unguided rockets for area suppression and anti-personnel operations. AIM-92. Stinger missiles in some versions. Air-to-air missiles for self-defense against incoming enemy aircraft. Capabilities. The Apache is specifically engineered for direct fire support and anti-tank missions, excelling at delivering precision strikes with a variety of weapons under diverse conditions. 4. Avionics and sensors. UH-60 Blackhawk. Avionics. The Blackhawk is equipped with basic avionics suitable for a utility helicopter, including navigation and communication systems, enhanced situational awareness, with limited targeting capabilities. Sensors. The Blackhawk typically lacks advanced targeting systems, though it can be equipped with external sensors for specific missions. It relies on other assets like attack helicopters or aircraft for heavy fire support. AH-64. Apache Mati Avionics. The Apache features cutting-edge avionics and sensor systems, including Target Acquisition and Designation System, TADS, a multi-sensor suite that integrates a long-wave infrared camera, a laser rangefinder, and a target designator for precise target identification and engagement. Longbow radar. The radar allows the Apache to detect, classify, and engage multiple targets at long range, even in adverse weather conditions or under electronic warfare threats. Pilot Night Vision System, PNVS. A thermal imaging system for low-light and nighttime operations. Capabilities. These systems provide the Apache with superior targeting and lethality, making it an unparalleled force for close air support and anti-armor operations. 5. Performance. UH-60. Blackhawk. Speed. The Blackhawk can achieve speeds up to 159 knots, 183 miles per hour, 295 kilometers per hour. Range. The Blackhawk has a range of approximately 360 miles, 580 kilometers, though this can be extended with external fuel tanks. Service ceiling. The Blackhawk can operate at altitudes of up to 19,000 feet, 5,800 meters. Endurance. Typically, the Blackhawk can remain airborne for about 2.5 to 3 hours depending on the mission and payload. AH-64. Apache. Speed. The Apache can reach speeds of 165 knots, 190 miles per hour, 306 kilometers per hour, slightly faster than the Blackhawk. Range. The Apache has a range of about 300 miles, 480 kilometers, with the possibility of extended range via auxiliary fuel tanks. Service ceiling. The Apache has a service ceiling of around 21,000 feet, 6,400 meters. Endurance. The Apache's endurance is typically around 2 to 3 hours, depending on operational parameters. 6th Crew. UH-60. Blackhawk. Crew composition. The typical crew consists of 3 personnel. Pilot, responsible for flying and navigating the aircraft. Co-pilot, assists with flying, navigation, and communication. Crew chief, handles mission coordination, manages cargo, and ensures the aircraft is operational during the mission. Troop capacity. The Blackhawk can carry up to 11 fully equipped soldiers, or a significant amount of cargo depending on the mission. AH-64. Apache. Crew composition. The Apache typically operates with a crew of 2 personnel. Pilot, responsible for flying the helicopter. Gunner, Operates the weapon systems, targeting and firing the weapons. No troop capacity. Unlike the Black Hawk, the Apache is a specialized attack platform and does not carry passengers or cargo. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more content on aircraft comparison. See you on the next episode.